I'm at payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have our times gone? Maybe I'm wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after does exist, I'd still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. 'Cause I'm at a payphone. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, ooh. I'm at payphone trying to go home. Let's go home, right? Are you gonna keep getting it wrong? I don't know. Stop yelling at me. Stop getting it wrong. No. Stop yelling at me. All those fairy tales are full of... Why aren't you saying the word? I don't want to say the bad word. You don't have to say the bad word, just say it. But stop yelling at me. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on me. Why did he say me? 'Cause why should I say you if I actually spent it on me trying to get home? Oh, I swear. If we weren't related, I'd literally murder you right now. No, you wouldn't. Yeah, I would. Nuh-uh. Yeah, huh. Thank you, everybody. Yes, thank the girl that I had to teach. You didn't teach me anything. You can't sing. Yeah, I can. No, you can't. Yeah, I can. Okay, we're cousins and all that, but you can't sing. Yeah, I can. No, you can't. Bye, everybody.